Hello, hello.
Hello,
I'm Christina.
I'm Christina.
You are? That's not your name. What's your name?
Vivian.
Vivian.
We're in the heaven.
Wearing a headband. I got my hair up.
I got my heaven.
And we're going to read to you a story about 5 little monkeys. You might have heard about monkeys jumping in the bed. This one is called 5 Little Monkeys Sitting in a Tree by Eileen Christelow. 5 little monkeys and their mama walk down to the river for a picnic supper. Yummy picnic supper. Mama spreads out a blanket and settles down for a snooze, while 5 little monkeys climb a tree to watch Mr. Crocodile. Five little monkeys sitting in a tree tease Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile. Snap! Rah! Look at this big mouth. Ah! Oh no! Where is she? Now, 4 little monkeys sitting in a tree tease Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me. Ah! Along comes Mr. Crocodile. Ah! Here it goes. Snap! Oh no! Where is he? 3 little monkeys sitting in a tree tease Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile. Hungry as can be. Snap! Oh no! Where is he?
The monkey has had her finger. Ow!
Ouch! And then down. Bloop. Okay. It's getting hard to turn the pages with the big pages. Now, 2 little monkeys sitting in a tree tease Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile. He is so hungry as can be. Snap! Oh no! Where is she? Do you see her? Now there's only 1 little monkey sitting in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me. But along comes Mr. Crocodile.
You're being funny.
Oops, I missed a page. Along comes Mr. Crocodile. Snap! Oh no! There are no monkeys sitting in the tree. But wait. Look! Do you see something in that tree?
Monkey.
What do you see, Vivian?
Monkey.
Yeah, I see their monkey tails are hanging down. Well, let's turn the page.
She was finding out.
Look! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little monkeys sitting in the tree. That was a close one. Their mama hugs them. A big, 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 big hug. Oh, she has a smile on her face. Their mama scolds them. Never tease a crocodile. It's not nice. And it's dangerous.
Sorry, that Mama.
Yeah, the monkeys might be saying sorry about that, Mama.
Yeah.
Would you see Mr. Crocodile in the water? Then 5 little monkeys and their mama eat a delicious picnic supper. Let's see what they brought in their picnic. What did they bring here?
Banana.
Bananas and bread. What's this one?
Apple.
Apple, maybe an orange, and a big cake.
And sap.
That crocodile's in the water over there. Looks like he's done playing around. And they do not tease Mr. Crocodile again. But what do they do? Mr. Crocodile has his tongue out. He's holding out his hand. And what are the monkeys bringing him?
Some bananas and some cake.
Oh, that is so nice. They gave him some of their picnic.
That's very nice for a crocodile.
The end. This was 5 little monkeys sitting in a tree. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you again tomorrow.
A crocodile and some bananas and some cake.
Okay, bye-bye.
That's very nice.
Yeah, it's nice to share.
Yeah.
Would you like to say bye-bye now?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Let's keep it doing.
See you later.
We're going. We just hurry right now. 5 little monkeys jumping in the water.
Yeah.